Hello and welcome to MAPP assignment number 2. This is the first of several instructional videos. In this assignment, you're going to review MAPP and get familiar with it once again and add some seating planes to an existing Gracie Theater drawing and learn to work with layers. This assignment and this video assumes you already have used MAPP. It may have been a couple weeks since you've last used it, so you do need to review it. But please, if you have not completed assignment number 1, do that first. Otherwise, it will make this a lot more difficult because I'm going to move fast and the instructions make those assumptions that you have some basic experience. Do note that MAPP is, at the time of this filming, is in beta, so the videos may the program may change from what is shown on the video. If you have any problems with MAPP, of course, reach out to me, your loyal instructor. The first thing you need to do is download from Canvas the Gracie Theater from MAPP assignment number 2 file. And once you got it downloaded, let's open it up in MAPP. I wouldn't open it up from the Finder. I would open it up from MAPP itself. I've just booted MAPP. It opens up to this MAPP. Welcome to MAPP 3D. I'm going to open project. I'm going to try to find it. It's in, I made a little folder here. And it's this, here it is, Gracie Theater from MAPP assignment number 2 file. So I'm going to open that up. And it's going to take a second to load it. It's got some stuff in it. So watch it load. And you can see some of the artwork I've drawn in there. And let's, woo, that's kind of cool. And let's familiarize ourselves with MAPP again. Don't forget the orbit tool here. So you can orbit around wherever you click. Don't forget zoom in and zoom out, or zoom to extents, which will zoom out for you. Also the pan, which is the hand tool, and orbit, the rotational tool, can be accessed from spacebar, and hand, the pan tool, can be accessed from shift key. And I actually highly recommend a wheel on your trackball or mouse for zooming in, zooming out, although you can use command plus and command minus as well. So there you go. That's your basic familiarity. Remember your viewports. These are different views. There's your your side view, left view. That's your front. That is your top view. Now you can mess these up. For example, if I orbit it right now, I'm gonna mess up. I could mess that up. I could mess it up. But if you want to reset it back the way it was, pull up your view presets back here. This was going to be top view. And I can zoom in and set it up a little bit more like I like it. And this is left view. And to restore this back to the original 3D view, just pull up here from your view presets, isometric view 1. Cool. Okay, so that's your basic review. Is there any other important information I need to mention before we jump on? Oh yes, saving. So MAPP, at least as of the date that I'm creating these videos, it's a bit buggy. It's a good habit for anytime you're doing kind of these extended projects to save them regularly. So I'm going to save this project here, and I'm just going to call it video test for the moment. But please follow the instructions. You're going to be calling it MAPP2, number 2 underscore your name, your last name. That should be your last name. And underscore your first name, and then put a little serial number after it. This will protect you in case there's a problem. You can go back to an earlier version. So I'm going to say throughout these videos, I'm going to save many times, and the instructions tell you to save many times, and have these serial numbers here so you can go back to an earlier version if you make a problem. Okay, cool. I think I'm ready to go, and my daughter's coming in the room. So let's call this video number 1.